So we just got in 3 base cabinets, and we're using the easy level system because my dad really liked it. He recommended it. He's an engineer, so I just trust him. But they have been pretty nice so far. A little bit more work when you're initially putting them in, but once they're on, so far they seem to be really easy to adjust. So if we can go down, I can show you. Ultimately, you mount these along they're kind of mounted like this, but on the inside of the cabinet here, and then you're able to move a little lever here up and down using these control rods. So it's kind of nice because you have these 2 little holes that will get covered by the toe kick, and you can do all your adjustments from there once they're installed. So it's pretty nice. Like, I'm a total novice at this, and I got this thing like pretty well leveled in like a minute or 2. So pretty solid. And then on the side, so the corner cabinet isn't very level yet, but anyways, I thought I'd do a real quick demo, I guess, of how these go together. So they mount kind of like this, obviously on the bottom of the cabinet, but to adjust them, there's a little, I don't know, I guess, so this, I don't even know how to describe it. This, as you screw this in, you'll see the bottom starts to come out. So it's like super easy to adjust. So you just, you tighten it to extend the cantilever, and then you loosen it to bring it back up. So super easy to adjust. And then the rear unit just has a, super long, same thing with super long. And then the back of both of these 2 is actually a completely open hole. And then in the front, you can see it's the bottom, I guess, portion of the hole that houses the turn rod. So the rear one just goes behind, and then it pops out like that. So they ask you to mount these under the cabinet, like so, and then they just attach kind of like this. You do 2 screws down the top, and then they have 3 holes on the side to go through. I drilled pilot holes for these 2 ones on the top. I think I used like a 3/64 bit just to give a really small little pilot hole. They're like 5/8 inch screws, so it's super small. But yeah, the pilot hole, just these 2, and then just self-tapping on these 3. So pretty easy install. It's been easy to adjust so far. So once we get the rot dealt with in the other side of the floor, we'll be able to move on to putting base cabinets down there. So we are looking forward to getting on to that. And I think that's all I've got.